The NSU Prinz 4 isn't exactly the first car that comes to mind when thinking of a retro mod. With 30 horsepower and a 0-60 time of 33 seconds, it doesn't exactly set the world alight. But it wasn't rare either, with close to 600,000 units sold. Audi, however, who aren't usually known for straying from the norm, thought that this West German car would be a great starting point for a new concept that can pay homage to 150 years of manufacturing, and I might pronounce it wrong, the Neckarsulm plant. This plant produces anything from the A4 to the A8, or even the R8. As far as styling is concerned, this retro mod dubbed the EP4 doesn't disappoint. The apprentices who worked on this car have given it a very planted wide stance with enormous protruding wheel arches. Housed within these wheel arches are some monoblock style wheels which look a lot like the wheels you can find with rotiform. The excessively large spoiler is also attached to the roll cage as opposed to the bodywork, and assuming this car's underpinnings are the NSU Prinz 4, it doesn't look anything like it. Meanwhile, Audi has also opted for Suzuka Grey, a popular paint choice on the R8 supercar, and there are also signal green highlights which look very familiar on a certain type of Kia. As the green highlights may have hinted at, this homage is electric, and although this car does get the batteries from a plug-in hybrid Q7, it does at least get the motors from a 2020 Audi e-tron, which gives it 240 horsepower. That's 8 times that of the NSU Prinz 4. And to deal with the extra performance, the car also needs upgraded brakes and axles from the A1 small car, as well as the floor pan from that car as well. None of the press material actually shows us images of the interior, but they do say at Audi that that is the same signal paint used for the roll cage, and there's also Recaro podium seat included as well. Of course, no one from the public can go out and buy this car, but it does show you what a couple of Audi apprentices can produce when they put their head down. Hopefully we'll be able to see this car at a couple of events in the future, such as Goodwood 2024 or many of the other ones like M-Weil. You can actually see my video on M-Weil by clicking on that link, which will be popping up at the end of this video. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you in the next upload.